When you put it on, it will come on, okay? Then, when you have make your mixture there, then there is this first one. You see this one? This auto.
Yeah.
So if after you have put the ice cream, then this is automatic. So you press automatic. It will start to make the ice cream. Okay? So when the ice cream is ready, it automatically stop.
Automatically
no need of you to stop. It will automatically stop.
Okay.
So when it's ready, you maybe you want to put in the fridge. You will open here. Okay?
Pull down, huh?
Yes, you will pull it down. But assuming like if the machine is because it's automatically stop and automatically restart again.
Yeah.
So after you have the ice cream is ready. Now maybe you are busy, you want to do something.
Yes.
You just stop it, put the container, and then maybe you press automatic or clean any of it. The ice cream will come out. Are you getting my point? So after the ice cream has finished, then you stop it. Then you put another one like that, and then you press automatic, and then you leave it. Then it will continue and automatic stop like that. So this is how to operate it. So how to?
What about here? The set is
This one,
it's
the
not
setting,
used. This one.
The setting is if you want hard ice cream, soft ice cream,
I see.
little ice cream. So you will come here set. But this is mostly you need to set if it's continue. If you have put the ice cream,
yeah.
So you now set. If I put now automatic, then I come here. I press this one. It's hard to find it. It need to link. So when it's linking, now you come up or down. You see now? See now you can set. If you put 08, you see? So this one, it will help you to get the hard ice cream or soft ice cream. Okay.
So usually what did you use here?
Yeah, I'm only
15.
15 is okay.
Okay.
15 is okay because this is soft ice cream.
Yeah.
15 is okay.
So what about this one, son?
This one, when you put automatic, this one, it will show you.
No, this number.
Oh, this number is the number of the cups. The number of the cups of ice cream.
How many cups you are going to make?
Yeah. So the machine, it will automatically tell you the number of the cups. So after you have put the ice cream inside, it's like it has measured itself. So it will give you the number of cups. Sometimes you find the number of cups is 10, 15.
This is the standard 12.
This is the standard 12, yeah. So it will depend with the amount of ice cream you have put here.
Yeah.
So this is how to operate. And this machine, it depends with ice cream which you are putting.
This original machine?
No, it's not original. It is China machine. So the first thing, after you have put the switch on, there's another switch here.
Okay.
So it's silent. You see? You put like this. And then it will start. So you have put your ice cream automatic. You go to do anything that you want.
So if you want to continuous and auto stop also, it's okay. You're just going to leave that one.
Yeah. You just leave it like that. Okay. So this machine, the way they have made it is just automatic. The other is manual.
Yeah.
So you'll be there observing after, like there's another one you just open and observe. Ice cream is ready, open. Like this one is automatic. No need observing. You just put it and leave it like that.
Okay.
Then another thing is how to clean now.
Yes.
You open these ones. You open this one. There's a bunker there. You move it.
Yeah.
This one you move like this one. Move like this one. Like that one.
After you make the ice cream.
After you make now you are cleaning the machine.
Yeah.
You have before you remove this one. Assuming you have made the ice cream and you have removed it, you start put water inside, and then you press the clean button.
Clean bottom.
So the clean button will clean the ice cream, and then you remove it, all of it. So you put like 2 times water.
Two times water.
Yeah, 1, 2, the full container. So after that, now you remove this one, and then you clean it. After now you have finished making your ice cream. You remove this one and you clean it. Assuming like you have a variety of ice cream, blue and black and white, you will start with white. Okay,
the white one.
It will not affect blue or it will not affect black. You will start with white. Then after you finish with white, and then you have blue and black. So you will balance. Here you can put blue blue, and here you put black. But you need to know which one is the first one and which one is the second one. Because if you put black here and you put blue here, black will affect blue.
Like
So you need to put blue and black.
blue and black.
Yeah, so blue the first one, black the second one. Because if you put black,
So what about the white and blue?
no, for you to get the good ice cream, start with white first. All of the holes put
White first.
Here white, here white. Make your white finish, remove it, then do this. Put blue and black. So at the time you are making your ice cream, the machine will not mix them.
I see.
But if you put black and blue, it will mix them. Because you see this one is to give all of them to.
The middle, huh?
This is the middle. So there is a little of ice cream, they are passing through each other. This one is come here and this one is come here.
Okay.
So after you have made your ice cream, it's ready. Don't start remove blue. Start remove black.
The black one.
Because if you start remove blue, it will come with black.
I see.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
You'll find some black they are coming. So you start remove black and then you finish with blue.
I see. Just like opposite, huh?
Yeah. So
The first one you do is the blue.
the blue.
Blue one.
Yeah.
And then
to
the
remove
next one.
it,
To remove
the
is
first
the
one
black.
Like
Okay.
that.
I
That is
got
how
it.
To maintain the color. Okay. Another thing is after you have finished here, there's something there inside. You need to grease it after every cleaning. There's a rubber. Let me show you here. Here. This one, it's inside the machine
Yeah.
with the bunkers. So when you remove the bunker, you put the grease here.
So I can find this one inside also, huh?
This one is inside. When you
Okay.
open it, there's some bunkers there.
Yeah.
So when you remove it, the bunker,
So what grease I'm going to put some?
there's a grease here.
That one.
This one. So this one
Okay.
now, you
That
take,
is the grease.
you take it like this one,
Yeah.
and then
Just put inside.
you put it here like this one, and then you put the bunker like that one after you have cleaned it. Okay. So when you press it inside, the machine when it's rotating, you'll not hear those voices.
I see. Sound.
No, there's not any that kind of a sound. So this is how to maintain the machine. And this machine, don't push
At the back.
back through the wall.
Yeah.
It needs space to breathe.
Spacious.
This side and this side, don't put anything.
To inhale, huh?
It needs to breathe. Assuming like you have put something like this,
Yeah.
the machine will die.
Mm.
So it needs to have space like that one.
I
So
see.
that the machine will breathe and it will give you good ice cream.
Yes.
Okay? Another thing, in terms here, this one. Come.
Yes,
come,
guys, this is Samson,
Come.
our ice cream maker here. You see.
You can do this. You see here, after you have make your ice cream and you have finished your cleaning, you see this water.
Yeah.
This water. After you clean this water, some of the water is inside.
Yes.
So make sure before you put ice cream, make sure there's not any water there.
It's dry, huh?
It's dry. Because if you put with water, alas. Now that is how to make the
Yes. Machine. It's okay
to
now.
correct the machine.
Okay.
The mixture.
Thank you.
So you need to know the mixture.
Yes, the mixture.
But the mixture you need to have a recipe where I can write for you. Alright, just talk like that.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.